Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to March 1st, 2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar. Today's activity is Learn Calligraphy, exploring the art of beautiful writing to create something special as a family. Let's dive in. Step 1. Use pencils, markers, or pens and print practice sheets to start your calligraphy journey. Step 2. Learn light, thin upstrokes followed by heavy, bold downstrokes, the foundation of calligraphy. Step 3. Write your name or favorite words. Watch your skills improve with every stroke as you experiment with style. Step 4. Turn your practice into greeting cards, bookmarks, or posters with inspiring quotes. Step 5. Discuss how learning calligraphy felt. Was it relaxing or challenging? Celebrate everyone's progress and creativity. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Writing skills and patience, improving with every stroke. Artistic expression, creating personalized projects. Celebrate today by letting your creativity flow and creating beautiful memories through calligraphy. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.